Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to use Hiver in Gmail for team collaboration. If your team is buried under a mountain of forwarded mails, accidental duplicate replies, and confusing CC chains, you know how chaotic a shared inbox can get. When multiple people try to manage addresses like support at or sales at using standard Gmail, transparency breaks down. Nobody knows who is answering what. Critical messages slip through the cracks and customers receive conflicting responses. Hiver fixes this by turning your existing Gmail workspace into a powerful collaborative help desk without forcing anyone to learn a completely new piece of software. It installs a browser extension and lives directly inside your Gmail workspace. By layering clear ownership rules, internal communication channels, and smart automations directly over your incoming mail infrastructure, it eliminates the need for messy internal forwards or separate chat apps. Before we dive in, if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Now, before building your collaborative channels, your workspace must meet a few basic configuration requirements to ensure the synchronization layer runs smoothly. Hiver operates natively inside Google Workspace, meaning you do not need to manage heavy standalone desktop clients or keep separate browser tabs open to monitor your queues. First, you must ensure that Gmail's native conversation view is permanently toggled on within your primary email account settings, because Hiver tracks assignments, status updates, and internal notes by binding them to specific email threads. Turning off conversation grouping will prevent the platform from linking updates accurately. Next, head over to the official integration gateway, such as the Google Workspace Marketplace or the official browser extension store, to download and add the Hiver extension. Once installed, grant the necessary administrative authentication permissions to securely link the application with your corporate domain profile. Upon refreshing your primary browser window, you will see a complete functional shift in your email layout. Your standard view now features a brand new integrated management panel embedded cleanly alongside your traditional email folders. This specialized panel serves as your control station for configuring every single collaborative feature across your company network. Now, with the browser framework active, you can now construct your first multi-user communication channel. This process safely bridges your public-facing team aliases into a unified space without requiring complex IT or DNS routing alterations. To begin, open up the main administrative gateway by accessing the admin panel link located inside your newly integrated Hiver settings menu. From here, locate the infrastructure tabs and select the option dedicated to shared inboxes. Click the primary action button to initialize a new repository, which launches the setup utility. The system will then ask you to define the channel type. Select email as your primary support stream. You will then arrive at the configuration from where you must enter the exact public-facing email address your customers write to. The underlying system architecture proves two distinct employment methods based on how your company handles inbound mail. Standard Google Workspace account, where you get to choose if your shared address functions as a regular individual Google inbox with its own distinct login credentials. The wizard will guide you through a standard Google authentication flow to grant full mail permissions. Or you have the Google group or alias, where you can choose this option if your team uses a Google group or an inbound mail alias to distribute incoming traffic. To ensure an uninterrupted connection, you must log into your corporate Google admin portal separately and verify that the group's posting permissions are configured to allow external senders and that delivery settings are set to receive each email. Once you put the address and complete authentication or verification protocol, Hiver will automatically bind the stream. The platform instantly establishes a background data syncing route, bringing historical threads directly into your team view. So if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. An email channel is only truly collaborative when your workforce can safely access and interact with the queue. The next phase of the initialization wizard automatically advances you to the user directory and permissions interface. To grant access to your team, locate the user invitation field and input the official corporate email addresses of your team members. You can input multiple users simultaneously to build out entire departments in one motion. When you hit confirm, Hiver automatically pushes an encrypted access link to their respective individual boxes, prompting them to sync their personal accounts to the shared stream. Before finalizing your directory list, look closely at the adjacent configuration matrix to establish clear operational boundaries. You must assign distinct roles to each added user. For standard users, this role is perfect for frontline support agents, sales reps, or account managers. They possess full rights to view incoming messages, assign tasks, write internal notes, and reply to client inquiries using the shared alias. However, they cannot modify background settings. For administrators, this role grants full control over the communication infrastructure. In addition to the standard agent capabilities, administrators can alter routing rules, modify access lists, configure automated service level agreements, and extract deep analytical performance reports. With your shared inbox active and your department fully onboarded, let's explore how to manage everyday consumer traffic without creating chaotic internal confusion. When a customer sends a message to your public address, the email hits the system and populates a real-time notification across everyone's workspace. Now, to view these items, navigate to the sidebar menu and select the unassigned folder. This folder acts as your primary triage queue, housing every new inquiry that lacks a designated caretaker. To prevent two employees from accidentally working on or responding to the exact same email simultaneously, your team must utilize the status and ownership controls embedded directly inside the message layout. At this point, it's critical to emphasize that mastering the specific ownership workflow is what completely eliminates internal miscommunications and missed client messages. Now, when you open a shared message, look at the right side contextual panel for an interactive element labeled Assignee. Clicking this drop-down menu displays your live searchable team directory. Select a colleague's name or choose your own to instantly delegate sole responsibility for that entire conversation thread. The moment you confirm, the system executes 3 critical updates in real time. 1. The conversation card immediately migrates out of the general unassigned pool and moves into the team view and specific owner's mine folder. 2. The assignee receives an instant desktop and email notification pinpointing the exact ticket requiring their attention. And 3. The owner's initials or avatar are permanently pinned to the email header within the shared folder, giving the rest of the department instant visibility into who is running point on the issue. In conclusion, transforming a chaotic public email alias into an organized, high-performance collaboration hub really comes down to establishing a clear digital layout and using built-in assignment tools to bring total transparency to your operations. By utilizing the built-in set of utilities to link your group addresses, designating clear thread owners to eliminate duplicate effort, collaborating silently via private nodes, and configuring logic-based automation triggers, you can completely redefine your department's day-to-day productivity. Never let a public-facing corporate alias run wild without clear visibility and ownership rules in place. Keeping your communication framework unified directly inside Google Workspace allows your staff to skip the distraction of platform switching, lower customer wait times, and keep their focus exactly where it belongs, on delivering exceptional, well-coordinated service. So if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.